I'm making vegetable soup for dinner and I'm using leftovers. You'll need 1 chopped onion, 1 cup chopped carrots, 3 stalks chopped celery, frozen broccoli or other fresh or frozen vegetables, 1 teaspoon salt, pepper, and smoked paprika, 1 to 2 broth cubes or 1 to 2 teaspoons jarred broth, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and water enough to fill your pot 3/4 full. You can add leftover meat or vegetables to this soup at the end of cooking to heat them. My leftovers in this soup are 1½ cup beans, 1 cup cooked mushrooms, 4 cooked Yukon Gold potatoes. I'll add them when the soup is already cooked. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil to a Dutch oven and add the carrots, onion, and celery. That's called a mirepoix, those 3. Stir until tender. Add enough water to fill the pot 3/4 full. When the water boils, add the frozen broccoli or other vegetables. You can add other quick cooking vegetables such as fresh or frozen green beans, spinach, zucchinis, or corn. Mix 1 bouillon cube or 1 teaspoon jarred bouillon and spices with 1/2 cup water to dissolve. You may want to add more broth later. After 6 to 7 minutes, turn down the heat and add the leftover vegetables. If you're using leftover meat, add that now too, but don't add raw meat at this stage of cooking. Blend everything together. Taste to see if it needs anything. If you want more bouillon flavor, mix with a little water to dissolve it before you add it to the soup. Check the leftovers to be sure they're getting hot. You want to be sure everything in the bowl is going to be hot and you're almost ready to eat. Be sure to get some of everything in your scoop. Dinner is served. I'm adding vegan and dairy cheeses on top of my soup. If you'd like other creative uses for leftovers and other vegetarian recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please like this video.